Here's my stickers. Back out a little bit. Come in slow. There's one from Lord Mutt, Alex S-Gate, Nuts, Buck's Wood Shop, Safety Third. Stick Alex back up there. Yeah. If anybody's got any stickers they want to send me, I'll stick them on there. Talk to you later. Howdy, Mike McCoy here. Here's my old chipping motor. And I don't know if you can see that eats them belts up. It just ain't never done right. And ordered me an electric fan for it. I'd get it either next week or week after next. See, that fan's just out there exposed. We're out working around this thing all the time. If somebody was to get into that or a blade break off and hit you, it'd hurt you really bad. So, I'm a-thinking that we're going to be way ahead just to put an electric fan on that and be done with it. It's kind of pricey, but I mean, it's hard to put a price on getting hurt. We took the day off. It's just pretty down here. It's just like a spring day, but now it's supposed to start snowing tonight. And I thought it was supposed to rain all day, and it was raining this morning, and I told my help just take the day off. Old mill down here is kind of quiet. Mother, she's gone grocery shopping. She's going to get us something to eat. And it's just down here, and we'll take a little look around. Make sure everything's all right. There's my old saw. Teeth's getting kind of wore. I don't have to put teeth in it for long. Old carriage, it's in good shape. We can make lumber. It's just getting us to do it's a problem. Here's the old motor. Here's Mary Ruth's workstation. Here's right there, got one saw. That got another. I just keep them around as reminders. I've started to make me a table, a time or two, and route a hole down in it and put all that stuff in there, you know, and then pour that epoxy on it and seal it. But I ain't. I may have to put a belt on that thing and run it for a day or two just to keep up with these chips, and we're getting them out in the chips, but them will go this spring. There's a pretty good pile of lumber. Gonna have to be put on sticks. That's where my shavings just blowed out. Hard to hem them up. Just a nice day down here at the mill. I kind of like it down here when it's quiet and just me and you. Nobody bothering me. Oh, here's our planer shed. There's been a little owl staying up in that thing. We built him an owl box, and I don't know if he's using it or not. And we put a nutting on the barn up there. I guess you can see it. Here's our old planer shed. I got to put some knives in that planer, but it's doing a fairly decent job. We planed a bunch of stuff the day before yesterday, and I'm gonna have to box it back in. I had all that enclosed to catch them shavings, and I've tucked it down and I've got to fix it back. But that's about it. We got several slabs. Price of propane's went down so much that these pottery kilns has quit using wood and started using propane. That's pretty much killed my market for wood to kill pottery with. So now I'm gonna have to go back to chipping. And there's a bunch of lumber. That poplar's gonna have to be put on sticks. I sawed that for old boy. I could tell when we talked that he'd probably not come back and get it. So there it is. But it'll sell. That is some good lumber. I'll put that on sticks and dry it and plane it, and it'll bring some decent money. Loader's sitting there. Got to fix my bark conveyor over there. Got that old machine in pretty good shape. I don't know, we're in pretty good shape for the shape we're in. I'll get rid of all these old logs. I don't know why I bought them, but I did. But I've managed to sell them good, so I shouldn't be complaining. But, yeah. There's my boy's trailer. This is our kingdom here. I kind of like it. A lot of people say it's this junk pile down here. It's mine. That means a lot to me. Don't see no deer this morning. Mother's all the time feeding deer up there in that holler. She's built her up a herd. Yeah. There's her little wagon. It's doing good. Everything's doing pretty good. Life ain't bad. I can't complain. Got a few orders. Get them out next week. Got one out. Well, that right over there, it's out and paid for. He ain't picked it up yet, so everything's working out. Well, I guess that's enough of me rambling on. Talk at you later.